Tim's last big job is to get the singer's cracked and corroding steering wheel restored. He's tracked down a specialist firm who have the skills and tools.
That's the, I've just popped it off the moped, I think. But,
Well, I'll tell you what, we've done a lot of these.
You've seen those before?
Oh, yeah, we got a mould for it, but it's in such a bad way. We literally got to take all the plastic off it, grind back the metalwork, and recast the whole thing. And it's in very good condition for its age.
It is, isn't it?
Right, we need wax.
Right.
It's a mould release wax. What we've got to do now is put a first gel coat down there.
Right, OK. So gel coat is the smooth layer on the top that you generally feel, isn't it?
That's right, yeah.
That is a mould. Oh, look at that.
OK, so basically, you go over the edge, like so.
That's great. Anytime you want to shoot from my place, make yourself a nice 12-incher.
I would love to do that.
What do you prefer, 12 inches or 6?
I'll go for 12.
Yeah, yeah.
We've got a little bit of time now, so we can have a pizza for half an hour.
Back with the steering wheel, Steve is adding the glass fibre as he enters the crucial final stage.
So as a result of that now, we've introduced sort of structural properties to this. It's going to be so much stronger, isn't it?
So much stronger.
So I guess the thing is now, Steve, we introduce the actual metal part. Right, and I can see it's squidging up.
That's it.
That's done,
Don't do any more.
Right. OK.
Bring it across like this, and carefully straight down, in position.
And that's it?
In the centre.
Right, bolts.
Bolt up.
So you're running around the inside first
Inside
of all, right?
first, yes. OK, so you've just got to wait half an hour. OK, right, it's coming out. I'm going to lay that down here.
So what's the next thing that's going to happen here, Steve?
It's going to be all rubbed down and resprayed,
Right.
and it will have a marble effect put in the spray. That's as far as we go here.
That is just gorgeous. Look at that.
Less appealing is progress at the workshop.
Fussy, isn't it? Yeah, very temperamental.
The engine is proving hard to coax into life, and with time now very tight, Fuzz is feeling the pressure.
So we've got a car that doesn't run. We can't turn corners because we haven't got a steering wheel. We don't know if it overheats. We don't know if anything works on this vehicle.
Right, check this out.
Hold on, that that is very nice. So that's cool. Petrol in. We're going to see if this will start up. You know what you've got to do, Tim? Oh, and a bit more.